guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a random tutorial because Diamond Fox YT asked me to do a tutorial. So this is a random tutorial. So if you guys don't believe, I'll let you guys see. There. Okay. This tutorial is about how to change your ringtone. Pretty random, everyone knows it, but I'm just gonna show you guys. So you scroll down and click settings, and then go to your sound and vibration. Just wait for it to load and click on it, and then click ringtone. After that, click this ringtone and choose a song, like any song, like this one. Yeah, so that's basically how you change your ringtone when someone like call you or anything like that, when it vibrates. So yeah, bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye. But wait, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.